Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Kenada M from Royal Elegance Empire coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to go over how you can use that wooden practice hand with them little brown plastic tips that never wants the nail to stick on. So what I did here with this hand is I pretty much removed the little white part of the finger that was supposed to be the fingernail. I removed that off. You don't have to do that for this method, but I just wanted to do that. And then I took the little tips out. There's a way you can use the tip, just cut it down to the little part that goes inside and then glue it. But instead of doing that, because I've seen a video like that, instead of doing that, I put, as you can see in the video, in the white part, there's glue in there, so I put hot glue in there. And then now what you see me doing is putting glue on the tip. Hot glue gun, I did get my hot glue gun from Walmart. It's the one that's hot in it has the high and low setting. In this video I had it on high, but y'all got to be careful. If you like me and you just leave your hot glue gun on for a long time, eventually it will get too hot and it can melt the tip, so you might need to put it on low. But usually just to put the tips on in the beginning, when it starts getting hot, I just have it on high. But if you're planning on like doing some stuff, you might want to put it on low, like as you get all the other tips on, just to keep it on, just in case something might come off. But I'm just pushing it down onto that white part where I put the other glue. So I'm attaching the glue with the glue pretty much in this clip here. As you can see, I'm just showing you that it's sturdy, it's up there, and you know, it's good to go. You technically could stop here if you would like, if you want to just go over the full cover tip, but we're not. We're going to use this as a nail bed, and I'm going to show you how to do it with 4 nail tips. Hey y'all, I came in to say real quick that tip did not want to be cut because I guess my nail clippers, they were getting a little dull. I need to change out the blade for the little nail clipper thing. But anyway, yeah, so I wanted to show y'all what it would look like with the tips on. So that is what we're doing here. I believe these are the square tips that I have in this video. Yes. Alright, so yeah, this is the square tips, and I'm gonna just glue that on, and just so I can show y'all what it looks like. And I believe I'm gonna do a little application in this video too, just so y'all can see and get the full gist of it. So yeah. Okay, so here we're just roughing up the nail. I do have this video in real time. I'm not sure if I'm going to speed up any parts or not, but so far I haven't sped up anything. So I just wanted to show y'all, but I'm just roughing up the nail plate here. guys, so I just wanted to come in and say that was so satisfying. Like, I loved seeing that. It was so satisfying filing the nail bed. So now we're going in with the double XL tips and the dynamic nail supply glue. I love this glue, and it's a brush on glue. So we're going to go ahead and apply that to the nail and put it onto the nail bed. I do show you some application in this video just to show you how it works and how it does on the hand. But I'm so glad I found this out. Like, I just figured this out, and I was like, because those little brown tips was horrible, literally horrible. And if you know, you know. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. The little brown tips that comes with the hands, horrible. And this makes it so you do not have to buy any more brown tips ever in life. Like, you'll never have to buy any brown tips ever in life. All you need is a hot glue gun, and preferably the big one with the big glue sticks. You can use a small one, and like I said, you can put it on hot first, and then after you get the tips on, put it on like low, so, and keep it on just in case you need to put some more glue up there or something. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with clear polymer and some monomer here. I am using our monomer, I believe, in this video. So yeah, I do need to use up the dynamic. That was the dynamic nail supply monomer right there that I was showing you. So I added that to the monomer that I had in there, which was ours. Because the dynamic one was sitting on my desk, and I need to use up all of that because I did buy like 32 ounces of it prior to having our monomer. So after I use it up, I don't believe I will be buying the dynamic nail supply monomer no more. Not because it's bad, but it's just I like ours way better because of the formula is a little faster setting, as well as it is not super strong. Like the dynamic nail supply one is good, but it just gives me a headache, and it's kind of horrible. And I have a kid, so we don't need that. So I'm going to try to use that up. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see this application. Everything is going to stay in real time here. So I just want to say, make sure y'all subscribe, because it's like 70% of y'all that is watching my videos and y'all not subscribed, sis. If you ain't gonna subscribe, don't watch the videos, okay? Nah, I'm playing, but no, for real, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, comment down below if you like longer videos or shorter videos. And don't forget to check out the next video that's going to be put in the end cards of this video. And your girl's out, so watch the application, and I'll talk to y'all later. Mwah. Love y'all. Bye.